How to change your name on Viber. Today I'll show you how to change your name on Viber and I'll walk you through it, so try it with me as you watch. First, tap open your Viber app on your device. Once you're inside the Viber app, tap onto the more icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture and your current name at the top. Now tap on your name. Once you tap on your name, a new interface will be opened. From there, change your name. Once you're happy with it, hit on done or save. And that's it. Your Viber name is now updated and your contact will see the new one. A quick note, this only changes your display name and not your phone number. If this worked for you, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.